It's bigger than my hand.
Are you kidding? This is absolutely crazy. These sharks are beaching themselves. This is chaos.
Welcome back and happy Sunday, everyone.
Yeah, guys, the mission today is we are after a giant mud crab, aren't we, friend?
Yeah, I'm craving one so bad.
The last one we caught, we actually had to let go because it was a mating pair. But today, we're off in search
Of a single male.
of a single male.
A big single male.
Hey. A mud crab male. So at the moment, guys, there's a full moon, and what that means, there's really low tides during the middle of the day. So that's going to allow us to get across here and explore this whole new area we've never been to. It looks like prime mud crab country, so that's what we're going to go for. No mud crabs here either. Pandanus tree, that's pretty unique. I haven't seen them around here before. A few little mullet in the shallows here, but no mud crabs.